Do you want to type faster on your Samsung phone? Then Google Keyboard Voice Typing can help you with it in this video. I'll show you how to use Google Voice Typing on your phone. So let's get started. First, make sure to install and set Gboard on your phone. After that, go to the settings. Then scroll down a little bit. Find out General Management. Then tap on it. Next, scroll down again. Then tap on Gboard settings. Now, scroll down again slightly. Then tap on Voice Typing. Now, make sure to turn on Use Voice Typing. That's it. Now, open any chatting app like Message to check your Google Voice Typing, and then tap on the text box. Here you can see the microphone icon. Simply tap on it. Say something here and check your voice typing whether it works or not. So guys, this is how you can use Google Voice Typing on your Samsung phone. If you found this video useful, then don't forget to drop a thumbs up. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section below. Thanks a bunch.